Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add the search bar at the top of emails in Outlook in 2026. Now, if your search box is missing or moved, this fix brings it back to the top where it is easiest to use. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Outlook application. You can also open it in your web browser. Once you have done that, you just have to click anywhere inside your inbox. After doing so, on the top, the View tab will be enabled. When you click on the option of the View tab, simply go to the option of Layout. Over here, simply click on it to find the option that is called Search Bar Location. You can set the option to the top. As soon as you apply it, the search bar is going to be moved on the top of the email lists. If you are using new Outlook, you can click on this gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the search bar itself, you can look for the option of search. Once you have found it, you are going to see a bunch of different search settings. So here you can turn on the option that says show search at the top. After that, Outlook will instantly reposition the search bar above your messages. If the search bar still doesn't appear, you can restart the Outlook once. This is going to refresh the interface and reloads the search panel correctly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.